In this video, we will discuss a 5-minute gold trading strategy. This trading strategy is straightforward to use and quite stable. Don't miss this video to avoid any misinformation about what we are explaining. Please support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Now, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type PP Signal Super Smoother Heiken Ashi Trend Follow, and select PP Signal Super Smoother Heiken Ashi Trend Follow from PP Signal. Then, go to the Indicator Settings. In the Input tab, leave the settings as normal. After that, navigate to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all markings and keep only the EMA and median tabs. Adjust the colors of EMA and median according to your preference. Click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, the Super Smoother Heiken Ashi Trend Follow indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. This indicator is unique because the combination of these two lines complements each other. The EMA line serves as the trend guide, while the median line acts as a trend filter in the market. If your settings match mine, when the EMA line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. However, make sure that the median line has crossed or is above the EMA line. If the median line has not crossed the EMA line upwards, the bullish trend cannot be considered valid. Conversely, if the EMA line is red, it signifies a bearish trend. However, you must also ensure that the median line has crossed or is below the EMA line. If the median line has not crossed the EMA line downwards, the bearish trend cannot be considered valid. Now, let's add another indicator to serve as a guide for market entry. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type ADX and D. Choose ADX and D from BIC Aoyagi. After that, adjust the settings for the ADX indicator. In the Input tab, leave it at the default settings. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove markings on ADX and adjust the colors of the other lines according to your preference. Once you've made the changes, click OK to confirm the adjustments. The ADX and D indicator will be used as a guide for market entry. If the DI plus crosses above DI, it indicates a buy signal. On the other hand, if the DI plus crosses below DI, it signals a sell. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this 5-minute gold scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If the EMA line is green and the median line is above the EMA line, it indicates a bullish trend, and you can look for the best entry point to place a buy order. Wait for the ADX and D indicators to signal a buy. Once the buy signal from ADX and D appears, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing low to manage risk. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 2, ensuring the potential profit is twice the risk taken. How to place a sell order. If the EMA line is red and the median line is below the EMA line, it indicates a bearish trend, and you can look for the best entry point to place a sell order. Wait for the ADX and D indicators to signal a sell. Once the sell signal from ADX and D appears, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing high to manage risk. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 2, ensuring the potential profit is twice the risk taken.